Murang bahay ba ang hanap mo? Yung malapit lang sa Metro Manila tulad ng Quezon City, Balintawak, Valenzuela, Malabon at Caloocan. Tara dito sa Villa Castalla Subdivision, Barangay Pulong Buhangin, Santa Maria, Bulacan. One ride lang ito papuntang Balintawak hanggang Divisoria. Meron itong lot area na 50 square meters at ang kanyang floor area naman ay 56 square meter. Provision ito for 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, sa parking lot at may balcony pa. This is Elisa Model Unit. 2,800,000 lang ang total contract price at ang good news, 187,000 pesos lang ang down payment until May 31, 2024 at beyond that, 287,000 pesos. Ang baba pa rin, di ba? 16,000 pesos per month lang for 30 years through Pag-ibig Financing after ng down payment. Complete ng kanilang amenities tulad ng swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court at children's playground. At ang pinakamaganda pa rito ay malalapad na kanilang kalsada, 10 meters wide sa kanilang main road at 8 meters wide naman sa secondary road. Kaya sobrang aliwalas dito. For more details, please dial this number na i-flash namin sa screen.